What is going on, YouTube family? Welcome back to Fly for Hype, where we talk sneakers, right? It's your boy CJ, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Today we'll be talking about Travis Scott. Today we'll be talking about Nike Air Jordan 6s and the new collaboration dropping in 2021. But before we get into that, pre-recording turn up. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's jump right into this video. When you say the name Travis Scott, when it comes to fashion, he holds as much weight as some of the top designers out there. I mean, he just did a collaboration with McDonald's and I literally copped something from that drop, which I'm really surprised about, because at first I was like, okay, I'm not gonna cop anything, and then I actually did it because there was something on there that I actually liked. But my point is, anything he puts his name on, we've seen multiple times when it comes to collaborations with Travis Scott, it turns to gold and the resale value is always crazy. So there's no surprise that they're dropping another Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott collaboration in a sand, or in this case it's called the British Khaki colorway, dropping spring 2021. Now, these Jordan 6s were first teased on La Flame's Instagram story way back in April when he had like a quick shot of them. I don't think it was an accident. I think he was definitely teasing, you know, upcoming collaborations. So, you know, that was the first time we actually saw the sneakers. Now, we didn't get a very good look at the entire shoe itself, so this is only a mock-up version of what the end product could possibly look like. I love the khaki beige look to the shoe. We're definitely gonna see some suede, some transparent, some sail colorways that it's gonna be in there as well too. And also this nice crimson color that's gonna be accented all around the sneaker itself. And of course you have the Travis Scott pocket that's right on the side, the lateral side of the Jordan 6s that we've come to love and see all the time. Now, when it comes to Travis Scott, like I said in the beginning of the video, guys, you know, his stuff always goes real crazy, like in terms of resale value. So definitely looking forward to seeing these in hand. But we gotta wait a few months, man. You know, 2020 is about wrapping up right now, which I'm sure a lot of us are definitely happy about. So come, you know, 2021, we're gonna see a lot of new collaborations, a lot of new colorways, and we're gonna see what, you know, what other artists bring to the table when it comes to collaborating with Nike. Now, I will say from a business standpoint, when it comes to Nike, they have chosen the two best artists to collab with and put their brand on them. Of course, I'm talking about Travis Scott, and the second one, that being Drake. These two artists coming together and always rocking Nike. I'm sure Nike at this point really can't even make a mistake. You have two of the biggest artists in hip hop that anything they put their name on, it's fire. I mean, we just had Drake drop his entire music video, Laugh Now, Cry Later, at the Nike headquarters. I mean, you can't get a better Nike commercial than a Drake video. That's all I'm saying. You know, so Nike really doing a really good job, you know, continuing pushing their collaborations, continuing, you know, working with Drake, working with Travis Scott, and just giving us the dope colorways that we all seem to love. Now, I want to ask you guys, what do you guys feel about this colorway? How well do you think it's gonna do? What more can Nike do to elevate their brand? They already have Drake, they already have Travis Scott. I mean, in my opinion, there's not much more they can do to really, you know, boost sales or like anything like that. I think it's gotta come down to Travis Scott actually genuinely designing his own sneaker. Yeah, I'll say that again. I think the next step in terms of their collaboration, Travis Scott needs to design his own shoe himself. Like literally from the ground up, like Jerry Lorenzo did, and his collab with Fear of God and Nike, designing his whole entire sneaker, the whole silhouette itself. I think Travis Scott's got to do that too. Maybe Drake will do that instead of, you know, dropping the OVO 10s, but we'll see what he can do in the future. He's not much into like the fashion scene anyway, so I don't think he'll ever really get into that. But Travis Scott, I can see, you know, he's got the creative mind when it comes to the music. I don't see why he can't transfer that over to creating a whole silhouette of a sneaker. I don't know, maybe I'm asking for too much. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Again, these Jordan 6 Travis Scotts are looking to drop spring of 2021. So, you heard it here first at Fly for Hype. It's your boy CJ, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. We out.